You were taught that hard work makes you rich. Wake up earlier, stay later, grind harder than everyone else, and one day the money follows. Except it doesn't. Most of the hardest working people you know aren't rich. They're exhausted. So what's actually going on? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Effort and income were never directly connected. They just feel connected because that's the story you were handed since childhood. Show up, work hard, get paid, repeat. But paid by whom and how much? That's the part nobody explains. Robert Kiyosaki laid this out plainly in Rich Dad, Poor Dad. There are people who work for money, and there are people whose money works for them. A surgeon trading 12-hour shifts for a salary is still, financially speaking, an employee. Stop working, and the income stops with you. Meanwhile, an investor who owns shares in that same hospital supplier keeps earning while asleep. Same industry. Completely different relationship with money. This is why so many high earners still feel stuck. They've confused income with wealth. Income is what lands in your account this month. Wealth is what keeps generating money whether you show up or not. A doctor earning $400,000 a year can be financially fragile if every dollar depends on their own labor and none of it depends on assets. Meanwhile, someone earning a fraction of that, but owning rental property, index funds, or a small stake in a business is quietly building something that doesn't need them to clock in. Thomas Stanley discovered this exact pattern while researching The Millionaire Next Door. Most self-made millionaires weren't doctors or celebrities living lavishly. They were ordinary business owners and modest earners who consistently redirected income into assets instead of lifestyle. Their wealth wasn't built by working harder. It was built by working smarter with what they already earned. So why does the hard work myth survive? Because effort feels controllable and ownership feels risky. Working an extra shift is predictable. Buying an asset means uncertainty, patience, sometimes losing money before you gain any. Warren Buffett has spent decades reminding people that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Not because sleep is magic, but because it represents income detached from your personal effort. None of this means hard work is worthless. It funds the beginning. It builds skills, reputation, capital. But hard work alone was never the finish line. It's the fuel you use to acquire something that eventually works without you. The moment you understand that difference, your relationship with every paycheck changes. So the next time you tell yourself that working harder will finally make you rich, ask a different question instead. Are you building income or are you building freedom? Because the real lie was never that hard work doesn't matter. The real lie is believing it was ever supposed to make you rich on its own.